We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making our easy mayonnaise-free herb potato salad. Thanks to an ultra-flavorful vinaigrette, this herby potato salad is naturally gluten-free, egg-free, and vegan. We love using small baby or new potatoes for the salad. Red Bliss potatoes or fingerlings are also excellent options. Since they are small, we cook them whole in salted water. While the potatoes cook, we can make the dressing and chop the herbs. For the dressing, we need lemon zest and juice. I love my microplane for zesting the lemon. In addition to lemon juice, we add red wine vinegar. The combination of lemon and vinegar makes the dressing really tasty. We also add tangy Dijon mustard, which helps to make the dressing creamy and emulsified. Then we finish with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Just whisk everything together until creamy. For the herbs, I'm using scallions, parsley, dill, and mint. I honestly don't think you can add too many herbs to this salad. Just chop them small. As always, the full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. I love the combo of parsley, dill, and mint, but this is your salad, so add your favorite herbs. Basil, cilantro, chives, or tarragon would be wonderful. When the potatoes are fork tender, drain them and then set them aside for a few minutes to cool off. Then chop them into small chunks. Now it's time to put everything together. Pour almost all of the dressing over the potatoes. Since they are still a bit warm, they will absorb the dressing as they cool. Next, add the herbs and scallions and carefully stir until the herbs are mixed in. If you think the salad needs it, add a splash more dressing, and then stir once more. And that's it. Extra herby, mayo-free potato salad that's utterly delicious. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.